I don't know, guys. Oh no! Someone broke into Angus's car last night. Just came here with a hammer and smashed it. We found a buyer for this Mona Lisa.
Yes!
So quickly took Gohan to the groomers because it's been like 2 months since he last got a haircut and his mane's actually starting to look like a real lion. Right now, I just finished editing yesterday's vlog, which by the way is 1 out of 2 because I still have to edit the video that I'm releasing for the art channel. But if you guys don't know, and this is the person I've been listening to on my daily walks, Rob Dyrdek, who is more known as a skateboarder, professional skateboarder, and his MTV show Robin Big. He actually came out with his very own YouTube channel where he goes in depth about his machine mindset and like entrepreneurial stuff. Super insightful stuff, and I just basically listen to this while I do all my computer work in the morning. I have to update both websites because it's not Black Friday or Cyber Monday anymore, and I have to manually go through all of the products, change all of the prices and stuff like that. So I'm gonna reheat my coffee and just do computer work for the next couple of hours or so, and then we'll go from there. Oh man, I was just in the middle of making myself, or meal prepping, I guess, because I need to gain weight and I need to eat more consistently. That's why I'm doing this. But I just got word that my puppy is ready to be picked up, so let's go grab him. See his new haircut. Ooh, we need gas. So 50 bucks premium gets you about 3/4 of a tank here in Canada. Also, don't mind the airbag light. We're still working on that.
Where do you want it clipped? Front?
Yeah, just right there is fine.
Oh, I know you're making a front for it.
Oh. Awesome, thank you very much. Alright, thanks guys. Oh, there's another Celica, slick. Go on, wrong way, this way.
Nice.
Alright, buddy. This yeah. Oh, he knows. Straight to the car. Here, buddy, I know you're excited. Here. Damn, he's so ready to get out of there. There, Gohan. Good boy. Thanks, Gohan. Look at it. He's so plump and so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, Gohan, you've been so patient. Appreciate. I'm gonna quickly drop him off at the grandparents' house, aka my parents. I'm gonna show him the new haircut. Fresh baby. Look, he's a fresh baby. Dude, that kid was waiting all day. Wait, he has constipation. I don't think anything came out. Oh no, I see a little turd.
Ikaw pinutulan ba yung pupo mo, Bunchoy?
Look at that plump butt.
Adawan, Bunchoy.
Eat your veggies, folks. I'm also cooking sardines on this side.
Through all the conundrum of where you're.
I don't know, guys. I just don't know. I think this house needs to be a little more festive. Well, I guess I'd better concentrate on finding a good Christmas tree. Maybe we can search the ravine near my house. So after countless hours of searching, perfect. This one looked like it needed a home. So I just finished filming this mini skit and I was thinking to myself, this is why I fell in love with YouTube in the first place, and I don't want to forget that feeling. So literally just me, myself, my thoughts, the camera, and the tripod as my extra hands, extra set of hands. I guess you guys too, because I think I fell into a routine where I really tried to make every video that I would release on YouTube super wholesome and make it count. Honestly, the first few videos that I released on this channel were mainly just vlogs because my art channel was a little more curated, but this is the stuff I love doing on the regular. Just going out, turning the camera on, and having fun, man. Hopefully this video turns out. Now to actually go to the garage and make this Christmas tree. Well guys, what do you think? Our Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Just to make it look a little more sad, we actually had to trim it. Since we're at the garage anyway, I've decided I'm gonna finish up the cabinet system on the XB. What the fudge? All right, I still have to make the drawers and put the hinges on the desk down there, but we're almost there. So I'm gonna just quickly do that, and then probably wouldn't have time today, but my plan was to paint it all black just to make it look clean. At first, I was thinking of just glazing it with epoxy or a wood varnish. I mean, that would look nice too, but this is gonna be clean, mostly dark themed, almost like a really high-class hotel lobby. And everything's gonna be black, all of the handles except for one diamond knob, which is gonna be for the drawer. Yeah, just finally finish this cabinet system. Sweet, we got the template of our drawer. It's not connected to our sliders yet. The sliders that we cut, except all we have to do now is obviously cut this out of the wood. This is awesome. Look at that. And that's pretty much how far it's gonna go out. Oh no, that's actually pretty deep. Once we create the template, cut it out of the wood, then we're gonna glue everything together, glue the face onto it like that. Should be okay. Well, apparently someone broke into Angus's car last night. Oh yeah, just came here with a hammer and smashed it, I guess. And we also have cameras, so I think Angus filed a police report, but pretty sure they didn't find anything in here. But that's sad. All right, so wait, what? We found a buyer for this Mona Lisa.
Yes, I'm proud owner. Yo, Birdy, I want a picture. Well, no, fuck, I don't have my phone.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. You guys can take like really sick ones at your place or something.
Yeah, okay. I'll put it right next to your other ones.
Oh, for sure, man.
Oh, this is
That's so fucking
it's
dope.
so good, and you did it, and you did. Yeah, can you
Oh,
sign
I'll
it?
sign it. I should sign it. Yeah.
Yo, can you grab my phone? I'll grab my phone. I wanna. Okay, and you did this with all dollar store stuff, Birdy. Like, you see, it doesn't matter about the material. It's about the artist, and you are fucking legit, man. Like, you know what I mean? Like, this is all dollar store paint.
Yeah, it took me like 2 days. Yeah, I'll do it on the back so the front is like super clean. Did you hold it for a sec there? Perfect. Got it? Or here?
Or should I do like this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Only something sweet, you're something all over me. I can't get enough.
Sweetie, we'll do 2021.
Yes, homie.
Alright, gang.
Okay, wait, can you come here? I want to take a picture with. Okay, Birdy, you're gonna be.
Gohan thinks he's leaving or something.
Like, right?
Well, appreciate it, guys, again. Thank you.
Appreciate it, homie.
Yeah, uncle
And
and
just
auntie.
transfer him, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna transfer him as soon as I get my.
Okay, bye, Bubble. I love you so much. Okay, my Christmas bear.
Aw, he missed you guys for sure.
Oh, really? You
It's
can
been a
tell?
minute. Oh, well, when he saw you guys, he was like
yeah.
overly excited. But... Come on in, come on in.
You got a friend in me. Oh,
It's okay, go on, come on. Who's this? Who's this?
got a friend in me. You got troubles and I got them too. But there isn't anything that I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and can see.
Long time no see.
'Cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Do you think he remembers my voice?
I think so, for sure.
Yeah.
Yes, I will hold him back. Hold
Have
his
a good
tail.
evening.
Okay. Alright, good night, guys. Happy holidays. Oh, you had fun there? Oh. Are you sad? Oh, they're gone. Let's go. Cool. Wasn't really expecting to sell the Mona Lisa painting. Kind of sad now because that thing was actually pretty legit. And now we have an empty space on that wall over there leading into the studio room. So I think it's time we paint something else. So that's it, friends. Just wanna wish you all a Merry Holidays before I end this video. And also, no Scrooges this year, guys. I'm gonna go put this somewhere where everyone can see it. And probably not gonna put lights on it because that's really gonna kill the tree. Okay, guys, see you in the next video.